my Christmas present that I've been dying to show you for ages, but I've actually only just got round to showing you. This, and a guitar, was my best presents, and I would like to show you. I'm not very good, as I've mentioned, I've literally just got it, but let's see how this works. Okie dokie. Now sometimes it plays up a bit, and I need to fiddle around with it to get it to work. There you go, that's working. But yes, this is my helicopter.
It's really good.
Oh dear, crash landing. Show them the crash landing.